Greetings, my name is Callista Nabila, student ID 2715370, and I'm going to discuss about the environmental print of fast fashion and its other sustainability aspects. First and foremost, fast fashion is clothes that are made and sold cheaply so that people can buy new variations of it every week. One of it being SHEIN, that was established in 2008 at China. Despite its major success crossing over to the West, it is widely known that SHEIN has a lot of issues regarding their lack of transparency in terms of their environmental responsibility, labor, and is guilty of many greenwashings. The fast growth of fast fashion started after the Industrial Revolution. After sewing machine was invented, clothes making are finally cheaper, easier, and quicker. Starting in the 60s, dresses made by Scott Paper Co. from paper napkin were viral and started the whole phenomenon. Most companies nowadays like H&M, Zara, and Topshop receives many complaints due to their overproduction, which is a strategy to create microclimate and repeat the clothes all over again. The availability and fast pace of cloth producing leads to impulsive buying and discarding behavior. Why is it toxic? Undegradable materials, overworked labor, carbon emission, and manufacturing in developing countries are some of the major reasons. A tragedy has taken its toll when the Rana Plaza in Bangladesh, who manufactured Primark and other brands, collapsed and killed thousands. Based from a fashion observation site Good On You that rates fast fashion companies' ethics from 1 to 5, SHEIN is only a 1. SHEIN still uses non-degradable materials like polyester and then ship their products through air cargo, which produces much more carbon emission than ship. The humanity issues it causes is no less than the environmental ones. Besides using sweatshops, the hazardous chemicals coming from the materials the garment used could endanger people around it. Greenwashing, to sum it up, is a marketing tactic that sells the environmentally woke aspects of their products. SHEIN implements this through emphasizing that they do not use any animal furs, only to cover up the fact that they use cheap non-biodegradable materials for their products. This diagram shows just how much the industry has impacted the environment. First one shows how big the industry's microplastic waste in the water. The bottom one shows how using non-degradable materials could harm the environment every time we wash it. And the last one in the right shows how many carbon dioxide there is in one synthetic clothes. A spokesperson for the Clean Clothes campaign then raised their voice explaining how toxic the industry is, built on sweatshops and all just to reach the lowest price with the lowest time of producing and then neglecting the labor workers and environmental justice aspects in the process. That is all from me, and thank you for listening.